Hello, everyone, and a very, very warm welcome to the team. We are absolutely thrilled to have you on board. Today, I'm just going to run you through a very quick explainer on our Internship Operations Hub. We want to make sure your onboarding is smooth, simple, and completely stress-free.
So, first day of your internship, right? I know you might be having a few first-day nerves, and honestly, that is completely natural. But please, don't you worry at all. We are going to get your daily attendance sorted right here, right now. It is a super simple process, and it literally takes practically no time every morning.
Okay, let's just dive right into the main portal you'll be using every single day. As you can see from the text at the top, it is a very straightforward Google Apps Script application. It's clean, it's simple, and it gets straight to the point. No confusing clutter to deal with, which is exactly what we want, right?
Now listen carefully because this is the most crucial step, pressing the right button at the right time. Right below the title, you've got two very distinct options, check in and check out. Just to be absolutely clear, check in is strictly for when you are starting your workday, fresh and ready to go. And check out, that's only for when you're completely wrapping up your shift and logging off for the day. We want absolutely zero confusion on what to click when you arrive and when you leave, okay?
The whole page basically flows super logically from top to bottom in just 4 quick steps. First up, you select whether you're checking in or out. Second, you choose your profile name. Third, you open the verification camera. And finally, you authorize it. It's a very fast, intuitive progression. Once you do it a couple of times, it'll become pure muscle memory.
So, after you've selected your mode for the day, in or out, kindly use the drop-down menu situated right below that. You will see it clearly says, Choose Profile Name. All you need to do here is simply click that box, scroll down to find your specific name, and select it. Very straightforward.
Now, please pay attention to this specific requirement. You'll see a section for selfie verification. Clicking Open Verification Camera to capture a quick selfie is indeed a mandatory step before you can proceed any further. And hey, do remember to smile for the camera, okay? Yes, even if it is a sleepy Monday morning. It's actually a really wonderful way to kick off your shift with some good, positive energy.
And for the final touch, just direct your attention to the very bottom of the hub. After your glowing selfie is captured, simply click that Authorize button to successfully log your time. One click, and the operational admin part of your morning is officially complete.
And there you have it, the whole shebang. The system is automatically updated, and your attendance is properly logged. So I want to leave you with this exciting thought. Now that this quick admin work is fully out of the way, what great things will you achieve today? We are expecting fantastic things from you, wishing you a highly productive, absolutely great day ahead. Once again, welcome aboard.